In this session, we'll be talking about how to deploy the monolithic thing. Actually, okay. So we already finished up to Flask app. So we'll be deploying it to EC2. So we'll start with EC2 and then we'll go from there. So let's see. So I have already connected to my AWS. So there's like a sample account we just created. So I'm going to the EC2. How do you go to the EC2? Go to services. Then I'll also type EC2 here. And then click here. Then go to instance running. So I don't have any instance. You may need to create a new instance. So I'm going to create launch instance. I'm going to check for free tags. Why it's like this? Maybe create it. So come on. They changed the UI, I believe. You've been opted to new launch experience. Okay. Let's see. Let's see the new experience. Okay. New observer name. What is my name? Relation tags. Name and tags. My web server. Sure. I should need a microservices. Person memory. Okay. Let's see. Number is only one. Yes. T2 micro. Yes. Security group. Yes. AGB. Yes. Free tier. Your first includes 750 hours. Yeah, that's fine. Application. Ubuntu. Quick start. Ubuntu. Okay. Ubuntu 20. Yes. Free tier. Yes. And then canonical. These are the normal stuff. Yeah. So let's try T2 micro. Free tier eligible. Yes. Keeper login. I need a keeper actually. So I'll create a new keeper. Okay. So friendship leader. I'll just say watch keeper. Then I'll say, yeah, that's enough. These are normal. PPK. I need PEM key. Yes. RSA is normal. Yes. Then that's it. So yeah, there just I need to download. Yes. Bring that. Network settings, they check these are normal stuff, so I didn't do SSH. Yes, anywhere. No, not anywhere. My IP. And then allow HTTP traffic. Yes, HTTP traffic. Right now, I don't need to worry about now. Launch wizard 1. 8 GB. Yeah. That's it. Advanced details. What is money? Spot instance. No, I don't need spot instance. A spot instance price is only one price. Since it's a free tier, I'm gonna delete it soon. I don't need this stuff. That's it. I'm gonna say launch. Launching it. Success. I'm gonna go to the instance. Going to the instance, then I'm gonna say this one I can copy and then put it in my local. Okay. So I'm gonna connect this instance. How do I connect it? So maybe I'll just connect instance. So it's running or not? Let's see. Yeah, it's running. Connect. Then they'll show that which IP they can connect. SSH client. So this one I need to use. So I'm gonna copy here. I'm gonna use this one. Okay. And then SSH PM. Okay. Let's see. I have to try this one. Okay. So since I have the separate location, so I'm gonna find the location. I already moved in this location. And for some reason, it comes with a CER file, .cer, but I need to rename it. So move. Come on. I believe. That's it. Yeah, nice. The location, there's the location. So I'm gonna say the location there. That's it. Let's see whether it's working or not. So since I already enabled the my security group, my IP and the security group should be able to, yeah, it says yes, some say yes. What they're saying the permission, yeah, of course there is no permission. So I need to provide chmod. Okay, I'm gonna say chmod, oh sorry, chmod and then 400. Should be okay now. Yeah, connected. So also I can add my SSH key inside the authorized keys. How do I get it? So I'm gonna say nano authorized keys. I'm gonna add my SSH key here. Where do I get my SSH key? pb copy that I can use it in MacBook. So SSH ID. Where is that? Come on, what did I do wrong? Maybe I'll just check the right place. Where do I get the SSH key? So I have my own documentation, so I'm gonna check them out. Yeah, SSH key. Yeah. This one I do that. Copy this. What do you get? It's copied. I'm gonna say yeah. Just machine. That's it. I'm gonna say exit, and then I'm gonna say yes. Done. So that's fine. I don't need PM key to get inside. How do I do it? So just go here. That's it. Should be okay. Let's see. Yes. Permanently is the list of permission denied. Public key. Why? Interesting. Okay. So let's see whether it's working or not. Okay, something is going on which I don't want to talk about. Oh, I'm inside actually. Sorry. My bad. So I'm inside. Okay. Let's try this one. Let's try. It should be working fine. Yes, it is fine. Also, I can do one more. So without my PM key, I can access it. So I can also use this IP. That's it. I can access it. Yes, should be. Yeah, I'm able to access it. So once I added the SSH authorized key, I don't need PM key at all. That's a good thing actually. So let's go inside. So I'm inside PWD. So I'm creating a new directory called PySpace. Come on, you get directory PySpace. PySpace. I'm going here. So I need to install Miniconda. Miniconda is a ECS one for me, but people, they check different. They may use man virtual environment, but for me, it's kind of Miniconda is very easier. So I'm gonna install Miniconda. I'm going here. Temp. I'm creating a temp folder. I'm going to the temp folder, downloading this one. So W that it's downloading it. And then I'm changing the mod, such like a permission change. Then I'm running it. Miniconda. Yes, keep on entering. Yeah, maybe the documentation, all the stuff. So they do have terms and conditions. I'm gonna enable all of them. I'm gonna say yes. So default location, okay. So it's loading a little bit, so we'll wait for a while. Yeah, it's running. So do you wish to install the installer to instantiate Miniconda? Just say yes right now. Yeah, done. So this one I need to run it. So let's see why. I'm gonna exit first. I'm gonna go inside. Nah, one more time. Let's see. You can by default when you get into the instance by default, then if the Python environment is enabled, which I don't want it actually. So then I go here. I'm gonna change deactivate false. That's it. Now I'm exiting. Going one more time. That's it. I don't see any base on that. So that is now enabled, which means this command saying is auto activate base equal to false, which means don't activate it whenever you connect to the instance, whenever you go to the new terminal. So they don't do that. So okay. So I need to install Miniconda separate as specific version. Okay. So maybe I'll use this one. So let's go 3.8. So 3.8. I'm gonna say environment. But before that, I want to make sure that how many environment do I have? Conda. Next. And there is only one. I'm gonna create a new one. So it's gonna take a couple of seconds, probably like 10 to 15 seconds to get it done. Yeah, it's almost done. Sorry, it's done. So yeah, I'm able to get it. That's it. I'm already inside Python 38, which is a 3.8 environment. So what do I need to do it? I just need to this one. So I need to connect. I need to clone this repository. So go to tag labs. Go to microservices. I need to this one. So how do I do it? So I need to clone it. So in order to clone it, I need SSH key. So I need to set up SSH key. Okay, I'll do it. So go to SSH key. So this one I need to generate. So I'm gonna do here. I'll copy everything local so that it's probably easier. Generating a key pair. Yes. Default location. I don't want passphrase. No. Create it. Okay. Then checking this is a normal command. I just need to validate. So yeah, so agent's running fine. And then SSH add, yes. Add it to the local. And then copy this one. So PV copy is only applicable for MacBook. So cat is for everything. So just like a cat will show you that you can copy. So I'm gonna copy. Since I'm using item 2, whenever selected, it's already copied. So I'm going here. Go to that repositories. Sorry, settings. SSH key and a key. Just saying that. Yeah. So that's it. So let's go to the repository. Default is there. Now clone it. SSH key, SSH used. Okay, I'm going to go here. Where do I keep it? PySpace and then git clone. Yeah, I'm inside. Now I'm gonna say running Python. But in order to do that, I need a it's gonna throw error. Let's see what other errors it's gonna throw. Python update. says no Flask involved. So for that, I need to add all requirements. So Flask is the #1 requirement right now. So I think it's only one. So maybe I'll add it. Requirements text. Let's say Flask. That's it. Then pip. I need to git on it. I need to commit first. Git on. Then and then I'm gonna git pull on the instance. So it will have the good. And then pip install requirements. Pip install R requirements. R means recursive, so it will keep on installing all the stuff. Yeah, all the things are installed. Sounds good. It says 127. That's fine. So let's see. It's 5003. Okay, it's the port number is 5003. So I need to enable 5003 in here. Yeah. So go to the security group. Maybe I'll just use this one. Census. Magic meter. Security group. Go to the security groups. And then go to edit inbound. Then add room, custom TCP, and then 5003. Then saying everywhere. And then saying that friendship app Flask app. Here I need to say largest machine. What did we do? Anywhere. Custom. Anywhere, yes. 5003, yes. Oh, probably this one I know. So apostrophe is not acceptable. That's it. Go and verify. How do I verify that? So I need the IP. So this is the IP. So go to this browser, IP colon 5003. Voila, that's it. So that's the thing. So I'm gonna say meter. Yeah, I'm gonna say yeah. And Kevin. That's it. So you get some application. This is the monolithic application actually. So let's see. So let's see what are the things are pending. So we need to Dockerize. We already deployed it. Then we need to Dockerize it and then deploy the Docker image. That's what we'll be taking in this next session. Thank you.